Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, isang Filipino group ang nagtanghal sa isa sa pinakamalaki at pinakasikat na music festival sa buong mundo. Masasabi po natin na ang tagumpay na ito ay isang salamin ng galing at talento ng Pilipino sa pandaigdigang entablado.
Hindi lang po sila basta nakasama sa lineup, Mr. President. Talagang nagmarka po sila. BINI ranked third among the top Coachella artists based on earned media value or EMV, generating an impressive $5.4 million US, next only to Justin Bieber with $6.9 million and Sabrina Carpenter with $6.4 million. Sila rin po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang most viewed female act on Coachella's Instagram during the whole festival. In fact, Mr. President, pagdating po sa total online engagement, pumangalawa po sila kay Justin Bieber. Isang tunay na cherry on top sa makasaysayang pag-angat ng OPM at talentong Pilipino sa pandaigdigang entablado.
Oh shucks, tunay nga nakaka-proud ang tagumpay na ito. Sa entabladong kinikilalang isa sa pinakamalaki at pinakaprestisyoso sa mundo, buong ningning na ipinahayag ng ating mga kababayan, Uy, Philippines!
Bawat araw mas sumasaya magmula nang makita ka. Ganyan din ang pinamalas na galak at kasiyahan sa sambayan ng Pilipino ng tinaguriang Nations Girl Group, BINI, nang magtanghal sila ng dalawang magkasunod na linggo sa isa sa pinakamalaking music festivals sa buong mundo. It is a long time coming for Pinoy Pop to make it to the global stage and make Filipino music reverberate around the world. And BINI made all of it possible with their trending performances at Coachella.
Marami na ang tumitingin sa BINI, hindi lamang bilang mga performers at musicians, kundi bilang patunay na ang Pilipina ay kayang-kayang sumabak at umangat saan man siya sa mundo. Alam kong napakarami yun ang pinagdaanang challenges. Bilang public figures, bilang kababaihan, pero andito pa rin kayo. Patuloy na sineshare ang inyong talent worldwide.
Sa kanilang pagtatanghal sa isa sa pinakamalaking entablado sa mundo, ipinakita ng BINI na ang kulturang Pilipino ay hindi lamang salamin-salamin ng ating pagkakakilanlan, ito rin ay liwanag na kayang magningning sa harap ng buong mundo. Their music, choreography, and use of Filipino cultural elements carried the pride, energy, and imagination of our people to an international audience. Their journey reminds our young artists that there is no single carrera toward success. With discipline, creativity, and unity, they can carve their own path and reach the global stage.
I'm married to a performer. Perhaps some of you know that. In fact, she works with ABS-CBN, your mother station. And I know how difficult performing is. I know how challenging and the sacrifice and the long hours that you do. But it pays off in the end because you have been recognized for your talent and your skills. And I wish to congratulate you.
I know the sacrifices na kailangan yung gawin because pag nawala na po, lalo na privacy, wala na po kayong privacy at yung training ninyo napakahirap at yung pressure sa inyo napakalaki. So, not just this recognition that we should give them, but I think everyone should pray for them. Let's pray for them and help them, cope up with all the struggles that they're going through, Mr. President. Napakahirap din maging idol ng bayan.